What's up guys, for today's video we're going to unbox and put to the test few more gadgets. This side here brand by whatever, and this is a knockoff of a SOG multi-tool. It opens this way, it doesn't have a lock in here, so it's a knife and there's a lock unlock button and then lock it, boom. It feels like a cheap materials. Also there's a lock unlock button for this tools, one, and there's another one. We can open it if I can get it. There it is. So there's a little saw and a bottle opener, double bottle opener. I don't know why would we want a double bottle opener, but there's a screwdriver and it goes all the way to one or the other. But yeah, pretty flimsy, feels cheap materials. Big button right here. Very strange how it doesn't open all the way right here. There's a whistle on this side. Yeah, this is definitely cheap version of SOG. There it is. If you're looking for one of those, they are discontinued. Boss SOG, they sell for a ton of money, but now there's knockoffs popping out. Also there's a little like everyday carry. This one is kind of cool. If I can open it, there's a burn for it. This is nice. There it is. And there's a black light because I think it's going to like glow in the dark. If you charge it, it glows in the dark. Yep, very nice. I guess black light will charge it faster. But yeah, what it is like everyday carry, like a fidget magnet cube or whatever you call this, little slide sticks this way. It's pretty satisfying. Might be satisfying to you, but people surrounding probably not going to like it as much. But there it is. Office desk disturser. Pretty unique. There's a lot of them out there. Machine push card. Next we got right here CVV quick snip. This looks like a, what do you call it, utility knife, but for the neck knife with the keychain. So there's a multi-tool and boom, there's a tiny little blade, and to replace it we would have to get a screwdriver to replace it. That's hilarious. Can't believe how little that is and uncomfortable that is. I love it. It's so simple. Keychain. It could be go on a keychain. It can go over the neck. A little necklace right here. But yeah, not easy to replace the blade right here. So unique. I like it. It's kind of interesting, one of a kind little utility blade. I love the new designs and things like that. That's definitely weirdest neck knife utility blade ever made right here by far. Okay, then I have right here a rake ready to make a little multi-tool. Let's open it up. So I thought it was kind of good looking, but it's huge, it's heavy. It is not like Victorinox, it's much smaller. Ooh, that's tight. Still, I heard like knives, good design, good knives. So there's a blade, a big knife. At least it is much bigger. That's kind of nice. So what else is in there? Clip, so we can put it on a clip. Very nice. Carabiner right here, screwdriver. What's in there and how do we pull it out? These things are usually really hard to pull it out. I love how easy it is with this one. On Victorinox's it is very tight. I like that so far, not super tight. Okay, I think we have to open this one. There's a bottle opener, screwdriver. What's in here? Ooh, this is a kind of a rescue blade, to where it's dull over here but serrated sharp on here. Very cool. There it is, a rake. knife. Could hang on the carabiner somewhere or onto the pocket. Very unique. And they also make different sizes and stuff. Okay, what else we got here? This side here is a stem light, ST Rayon 2020. Whatever the year means or number that means. Let's open it up, see what's so cool about it. So watch it. Cool. It's mostly box. It is a huge box for decent size flashlight. Yeah, nothing else comes with it. I love this stem light. Huge box for not very big flashlight. Okay, what's so unique about this flashlight? It has a switch on and off right here. So interesting. It looks like 1, 2, click. Then there's a on button. And what's this? Ooh, that is so cool. For like security purposes or any purposes. Don't have to wonder how many clicks do I have to do. Well, double clicks, we're gonna have this one. So that's simple. But for the brightness, one time, the bubble button is so easy to find and press. It is soft. Okay, we can also turn it on the bottom or on the top. Double click is going to do the flash and strobe mode. Usually there is a plug on the side of the battery to recharge it. It does say it's rechargeable, but looks like the recharger I will have to purchase separately. That's a big minus. Anyways, there you go. Streamlight flashlight. Very unique. I have right here CJRB multi-tool. I love whenever they make new multi-tool knives. Everyday carry. There is a little screw. We can tighten it and untighten it. Okay, it says untighten it this way. If we're going to replace it, we fully untighten it. For everyday carry use, for everyday use, we only untighten it a little bit. Whoa, I just realized something. It's kind of like a left-handed knife right here. Set up on a left-handed. Cool. I wonder if I could flip it on the right hand. There's a one notched and second notched. To replace the blade, the only way to do it, there's no fast way to do it. We will have to unscrew it all the way, take off the screw, take this out, and flip it over. Can I go put it on the right hand knife? Whoa, I just realized it could be left-handed and right-handed. I'll put the screw back on. Let's see. Yeah, so now it's going to be right-handed is the way I understand it. Except I probably should flip over the blade the other way to make it right-handed. That's so cool. So right-handed, I'll be holding it this way. Left-handed, I would flip it over to the other side. Okay, this is a left-handed or right-handed utility blade. That is cool. Not the easy way to replace the blade. Okay, kind of tighten it up. Boom. And now it's right-handed. That's so hilarious. I kind of discovered it by mistake. 1, 2, 3. So there's a 3 notches. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Very small for unboxing the boxes and lock in position and tighten it up tight, and it's not going to slide open. Very cool. Really nice name brand right here for sure. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.